Baked in the oven, this hot honey chicken is lovely and juicy and really crispy too. And we're using a special ingredient to ensure we get that extra crispy coating. Drizzled in that hot honey, it's gonna be fab. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Ever since Chris and I went to Nashville, we've been absolutely hooked on hot honey chicken. And this is my easy baked version with an extra crispy coating. And we're going to be making a hot honey sauce where you can adjust the heat level to your own tastes. So let's get cooking. So I've got 4 large chicken breasts here and we're going to slice each one in half horizontally. So we have 8 chicken steaks altogether. I've got 90 grams, which is about 3/4 cup of plain all-purpose flour in my bowl. And to that I'm going to add half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper and garlic powder and a teaspoon each of paprika and dried thyme and mix together. In a second bowl we're going to whisk up 2 eggs. And in my third bowl, I've got my secret ingredient, crushed up cornflakes. So I've got 5 cups of cornflakes which have been crushed up. That's about 150 grams altogether. And to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil and mix it all together to thoroughly combine. Now take one of the chicken breasts and dredge it in the flour mixture. Then completely coat it in egg and then coat it in the cornflakes and place on a baking tray. Then repeat with the rest of the chicken breasts until everything is lovely and coated. We're going to cook these in the oven now at 200°C or 400F fan until they're completely cooked through, which should take about 20 to 25 minutes. Alternatively, you can cook them in the air fryer. I'll leave some instructions for that in the description below. So while that chicken's cooking in the oven, we're going to make the hot honey sauce. To a small saucepan, add 180ml, which is about half a cup of honey, plus 3 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and half a teaspoon each of smoked paprika, cayenne pepper and garlic powder. Heat over a medium heat, stirring occasionally until the butter melts, then turn off the heat. When that chicken's cooked, we're going to pile it up on a platter and drizzle it with that hot honey sauce. And there you go, beautiful crispy chicken with that lovely hot honey sauce. I like to drizzle on a little bit of that hot honey sauce and then serve it up on a big platter with extra sauce and some pickles and whatever fixings you fancy. Hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you next time.